Oppo is going to launch the new K10 series soon. Oppo's K10 series features two smartphones, Oppo K10 5G and K10 Pro 5G. Now in this video we're talking about the Oppo K10 Pro 5G. Now in terms of the design, on the front we have the large display and we also have this punch hole cutout. On the rear we have this Oppo branding and the camera module looks really different here. Now in terms of the display, this one features 6.62-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. Also the refresh rate here is the high refresh rate of 120Hz. So we can say that the display is really good here. We get OLED panel, we also get the 120Hz of high refresh rate here. Now in terms of the chipset, this one features Snapdragon 888. Now Snapdragon 888 is the 5G chipset and it is an octa-core processor based on the 5nm technology. It has the max clock speed of 2.8 GHz. It features the Cortex A78 and A55 cores. The GPU here is the Adreno 660 GPU. As we already know, the Snapdragon 888 5G is the flagship processor, so we have a really good chipset here. Now we also have the in-display fingerprint scanner here in the smartphone. Now if we talk about the camera module here, we have triple camera setup here. The main sensor is the 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor. We also have the OIS support here. The second sensor is the 8MP ultra-wide sensor and we have third macro sensor. So yeah guys, we have triple camera setup on the rear. On the front we have this 16MP of selfie shooter. Now the smartphone will be available in two different colors, which are clear blue and titanium black. Also in terms of the battery, this one features 5000 mAh of battery and the charging speed here is 80 watts. 80 watt charging speed will be the good enough here. Oppo is going to launch this new series on April 24 and if you know about the price, it will be around $400. Now if you look at the specs here, it features really decent specs. The display we get here is the OLED panel with 120Hz of refresh rate. Also we get the flagship processor and the camera setup is also good enough. So yeah, this one is the really good decent smartphone from Oppo. So yeah guys, that's the all info we had today for the Oppo's K10 Pro 5G. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you later.